If you need to change your Hostinger password, whether it's for security, a reset, or just to keep your account updated, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go inside hPanel, how to find the password settings, and how to save the new password correctly so it takes effect right away. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there you want to select Account Information. This is where Hostinger keeps your account details and login-related settings, so this is the first place to go when you want to update your password. After that, scroll down until you reach the Account Settings section. Here, you'll see the option to change password. Click that, and Hostinger will take you to the password setup screen. Now, you'll see the fields where you can enter your password details. In the current password field, type your existing password exactly as it is now. Then move to the new password field and enter the new password you want to use. Make sure it's strong, secure, and something you can remember or store safely in a password manager. After that, type the same new password again in the confirm password field to make sure there are no typing mistakes. This step is important because Hostinger needs both entries to match before it will accept the change. Once everything is filled out correctly, take one more moment to double check the information. If the current password is wrong or the new passwords do not match, the change will not go through, but if everything looks good, click Confirm to save the update. Hostinger will apply the new password immediately and your account will now be protected with the updated login details. At this point, your password change is complete and you can sign in again using your new password the next time you access Hostinger. If you were able to follow along easily, please give this video a like, subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, and check out the next guide for more helpful hosting tips. Thanks for watching.